In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Vive Financial for a credit card. I'll guide you from visiting the official site all the way to activating your card and making on-time payments, so you can move through the process with confidence. Start by going to the official Vive Financial website. Type the address directly into your browser or use a trusted bookmark. Check for the secure padlock and correct spelling in the address bar to avoid impersonator sites. Once you're on the home page, look for the credit card section and select the option to apply. Give yourself a few uninterrupted minutes so you can complete everything smoothly. Now fill out the application form carefully, enter accurate personal and financial details, and double check your address and income before you submit. Small errors can cause delays. As you proceed, read the disclosures and pricing information so you understand rates, fees, and how your credit limit will work. Only save your progress on a private device you trust. When everything looks correct, submit the application and make note of any confirmation you receive for your records. Next, wait for approval. Some decisions are instant, while others take a bit longer if verification is needed. Watch your email or the application portal for updates. If documents are requested, upload them only through the official channel and avoid sharing sensitive information over unsecured methods. Once approved, you'll receive your card information by mail or digitally depending on the process. When your card arrives, activate it right away. Follow the instructions provided. This may involve a quick online verification or a short call. Have your card handy and complete any identity checks on your own device and secure network. During activation, it's a good time to set up online account access so you can view statements, track transactions, and manage payments. You're now ready to use your card. You can pay in-store or online. Always review the total before confirming the transaction. Keep an eye on your available credit to avoid declines and to maintain a healthy utilization ratio. If you see a charge you don't recognize, report it promptly through your account. Finally, make monthly payments on time. Review your statement, note the due date, and pay at least the minimum. Ideally, the full balance to reduce interest. Consider turning on account alerts or setting up automatic payments from a secure bank account. Paying a little early or more than the minimum can help manage your balance and support your credit health. With these steps, you're set to use your Vive Financial credit card responsibly and confidently.